AI is getting improved every day. This will destroy the current traditional jobs, so you have to switch to modern and digital business to survive. And in this video, I'll teach you how to make motivational reels with only AI, and you can actually make money from it. So if you're interested to build a digital business, continue watching this video. I'll explain step by step. The first step is to get the script. So head over to ChatGPT and start writing prompts as, consider that you're the motivational speaker, and now talk 1 minute about money or any topic you want. After some tries, you will get the script. Now copy the script and save it. For a reel, audio is very important for the connection, so we need a person to give voiceover. But we have AI in our side, so we don't need to worry at all. Go to 11 Labs and sign up if you're new. Then choose any voice you like, or else you can generate a new and unique voice, then paste the script you copied from ChatGPT and hit generate. Wait for a minute and you will get the audio. The next part is to get the visuals. We are not going to use a talking avatar. I will show you a new method to make clips like these. First, split the script into 4 or 5 parts, then copy the first part and go to Leonardo AI. Create a new account if you don't have and choose Absolute Reality, the 1.6 as model. Here, paste the prompt and set the aspect ratio as 9:16. Turn on Magic Prompt and turn off Alchemy. You got the image for the first part of your reel. So do the same for other parts, and finally you will have some AI images. Now we are going to convert these images into, guess what? Yes, videos. AI videos. Open Runway ML and create an account. Then click Image to Video Gen 2 and upload your first image. Then leave the text area blank for better generation and hit Generate. The image will be converted into a 4 seconds video. This will take some time. Until then, open another tab and do the same for other images. After it's done, you can extend it to 8 seconds. Then you'll have clips for at least 40 to 60 seconds. So it's time to compile and edit. So turn on any VPN and open CapCut, import the audio first, then import the videos downloaded from Runway ML one by one. Then go to text and click Auto Captions. It will write captions automatically with default font. So change font, add some stoke and some shadow. Finally, export the video. This is your favorite part. I'll teach you to make money from this. So here is the roadmap. It will just take a few minutes to make a reel. Try to post 1 reel daily, and you can easily grow a theme page to 100K within 3 months. With those followers base, you can do paid promotion, affiliate marketing, and the biggest secret that most of the people do on Instagram to become financially freedom. That's digital product selling or an online course. Even some people make millions from doing this. So using the roadmap, first build an audience base, then use any one method that I said earlier to make money. And don't worry, I'll definitely post a tutorial to make and sell digital products with theme pages. If you want immediately, comment digital product, and if you want to edit like me, click here and I'll meet you there. Bye.